Hello everyone. Getting the something went wrong message on your Textplus app. Let's walk through a few real solutions that have worked for others. I found them on Reddit, so I also on their official website. So first open the official Textplus app. You can get it on Google Play and also on App Store. And then if you have any VPN installed, simply uninstall them, or you can find them those VPNs here. Just uninstall those VPNs, and then after that try logging into your app again. All right. So another thing is you also check your country. All right. So TextPlus doesn't offer services in all regions. If it's blocked in your country, then you might have that error. So you'll also keep getting the message even with good internet connection. All right. So make sure your device is up to date with software updates. So outdated Android or Apple version can cause compatibility issues, and sometimes it's also the carrier issue. So just go over step by step so you can easily troubleshoot your problem. So another thing is your network. All right. So this is the most common issue. All right. So if your device supports dual networks, consider disable one for a smoother number acquisition process. And sometimes even if you do that, it can also create carrier issue. Like some carriers doesn't allow international SMS, and there may be other restrictions in place. So just go over the step. Another thing is you can just reinstall the app and download the latest version again. And just do that on your iOS as well. So make sure after installing, just add all, like allow all permissions, especially for notifications and contacts. These are needed to acquire a phone number. So many users also reported that the issue might be from the SIM provider, especially if international SMS isn't enabled. So some users even say beeper, this one here, uh, can, like confirm it's a carrier side issue. So test this, try sending an international SMS from a regular message app. If it fails, your carrier may not support international messaging, which Text Plus needs. If none of that works, the best move is to contact Text Plus support. You can contact them here, support, go this, and first check out the document. If not, you can always submit a request, choose your issue, and you fill up your address, subject, write in the description, type of issue, and fill everything, and then click submit. And that's it. And I'll see you in the next video.